Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arif Ijli Musina. I am student from Indonesian Education University. I will present about podcast for learning content design by dialogue format to improve student analysis ability of economic subject in senior high school. First, introduction. Initially, broadcast media was only used to convey general message, which were considered to replace the radio's role. However, in current developments, broadcast media is also used in the learning process to adjust their learning time and learning style according to their ways. Media podcast is an audio media developed and contains material recorded and stored on a web-based site, which can then be downloaded and listened to without a specific time limit. Second, methods. The result design used was the design and development D&D models. The D&D model is intended as systematic study of the design, development, and evaluation process, which aims to establish the basis for research in the product making process and instructional or non-instructional tools and new or improved models in the development process. The product development procedure consists of 6 stages, namely problem identification, destination, designing and development products, testing, evaluating trials and results, and communicating trial results. Even though there are stages that have been mentioned and described above, research focuses on the design process so that is developing to develop podcast media content. The design process consists of analyzing the competencies and media context expanded, compiling the production script, learning plan, outline media contents or GBIM, and create podcast developing script into the final stage of production. The product is a learning design in the form of RPP or learning plan, GBIM or outline media contents, and development script to support podcast production process for learning media contents. Third, result and discussion. The result. Fourth, analysis of needs for media content development. A. Contextual analysis. Economic literacy is a concept regarding a broader understanding of the economy to make smart choice regarding resource allocation. However, looking at conditions in the field, economy literacy in Indonesia face many obstacles, so that the level of economic intelligence of the community is low. The most visible impact of this problem is the high level of Indonesian society consumption compared to the level of production. Based on the analysis results that have been carried out, the selected material has been adjusted to develop podcast audio media. The material or content delivered has been determined and selected according to the characteristic of the media, which can only use one of the sense, namely hearing, so that the material is more conceptual. B. Analysis of student characteristics. The characteristics of students at high school level are divided into three. Intellectually adolescents, 12 to 20 years, begin to think logically about abstract ideas. The functioning of high-level cognitive activities or high-order thinking skills, such as making plans, strategies, making decisions, and solving problems, already able to abstraction, differentiating between concept and abstract. Characteristic of student as digital native. The multitasking capability or doing several jobs at one time is very high. Tend to want to get information quickly, so that sometimes they do not tolerate something late. Tend to understand image more efficiently than text. As a result, watching movie is considered more fun than having to read page of history book. prefer to learn something active and interactive to leisure activity. Playing game is preferable to having to listen to stories. Reward is something they expect when they complete something. Reward makes them feel rewarded for their effort. Development of the podcast media content dialogue format. In developing media content design, there are several stages in the development process. The first carried out process was a need assessment or need analysis, which later became a reference in determining objective, which were the main learning plans or RPP, EBIM or outline design, and media script that would later be produced. The lesson plans were developed to refer the syllabus and the result of the analysis made. In the learning design that will be made, there are learning identities and media, goals, learning objective, and learning steps, which will be carried out in the descriptions. After the RPP is complete, the next process to make an outline of media contents or EBIM as a later production benchmark. EBIM contains the identity of the media, goals, and learning objective, add in it the subject matter to be discussed and source of reference. The final process that was carried out after the RPP and EBIM was followed by making a media development script, which later contained narrative text, story synopsis, and types of voice needed, sound effect and background music, and a list of voice actors who would later become source of the content. Competency analysis. Basic competence. 1. Describe the concept of economic indicator. Student can describe the concept of economics. Topic of discussion. Concept of economics. 1. Definition of economics. 2. Division of economics. 3. Economic principle. 4. Economic activity. 5. Economic motives. 2. Basic competence. Basic competence. 2. Analyze economic problems and how to solve them. Indicator. Student can analyze economic problems and how to solve them. 3. Topic of discussion. Economic problems and how to solve them. 1. The essence of the economics problem. 2. Choose. 3. Opportunity cost. 4. Priority scale. 5. Financial management. 6. Main economic problems. 7. Economic system. Basic competence. Analysis the role of the businessman in economic activities. Indicator. Student can analyze the role of the businessman in economic activities. Topic of discussion. Businessmen economic activities. Their economic activities consumers, producers, and overseas communities. Their roles in economic activities. Fourth, conclusion. The conclusion of the explanation that has been described is 1. Analysis of the needs for media content development, contextual analysis, analysis of students' characteristics, competency analysis, and development of the podcast media content dialogue format. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.